नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु ससदा. Now today we are going to start with the Maths 1 and Maths 1 we are going to start the first topic, linear equation two variables. This linear equation two variable one part was there in 9th standard. काफी कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम लोग कर चुके हैं linear equations के. अब ये सेकेंड पार्ट है. तो आज का जो पहला लेक्चर रहेगा वो लिटरली रिवीजन करेंगे. ऐसा लगेगा कि हम लोग को 9th स्टैंडर्ड का ही स्टडी कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स, डेफिनेशन ऑफ इट इज definition an equation which contain two variables and the degree of each of them of that variables is 1. Each of the variable, there are two variables are there, but degree of that variable should be 1, is called linear equation in two variables. An equation which contain what? Two variables and degree of each of the variable is what? 1 is called as what? Linear equation in two variables. General form of it. General form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by is equal to c. See, this x and y are what? Two variables, where x and y are what? Two variables, and we know that I am writing x square, degree will be 2, x cube, degree will be 3, but here the degree must be what? Not we are not written any degree is what? 1 it is. So here, as per the condition, the degree of x should be 1 and degree of y should be also what? 1. Okay, so x and 2 are variables, two variables with degree 1, and a, b and c are real numbers. Real numbers may be natural, whole, integers, rational, irrational, कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. Okay, but a and b cannot be 0 at same time. See, I'll repeat it. A and b cannot be 0 at a time. Means what? 0x plus 0. दोनों का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा. वो नहीं. हाँ, may be possible. A is 0, that time b is having some value. Suppose I can consider what? 0x plus 5y is equal to 5. So this can be 0. So it will become 5y is equal to 5 or 5y is equal to 7 if I am making. So if anybody asks me, is it a linear equation? I'll tell yes, it is a linear equation. Suppose you are going to write this as a 0, this as a 7. So is it a linear equation? Yes, it is a linear equation. But 0x plus 0y is equal to 7? Not possible. Have you understood this? So this is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so just it is this term is just to see what is the general form of equation, what is the definition. But in board examination they never ask the definition of what any equation. So just तुम्हारे आपके समझने के लिए no need to copy down this. Have you understood this? Shall I start with the next part now? So now we start with the practice set 1.1. Now first question is again activity based question. तो हमें थोड़ा 9th को रिवाइज करना है वो चीज के लिए. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. I think एक 2 मिनट के लिए वीडियो पॉज करो. You only can do this question. Okay, pause the video and try to solve your own. You got it now? Okay, then okay, I think you have tried for it. See, they have given an equation. One is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. दूसरा equation, there is a printing mistake in textbook. It is minus 3y. They are given plus 3y, but 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. The equation 2. So we are having two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Then what I told you that you try to find out the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x कितना है? 5 है. इसका कितना है? 2. What about this 3 and 3? If it is same, correct ना? It is 3y and 3y. नहीं है तो same करो. And if it is same, what you do? You have to see the sign, plus and minus. Where is the different sign? I told you that we have to add the equation. And if it is the same sign, we have to subtract the equation. So, while adding, we are going to write the equation 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. अब क्या होगा? This 3y get cancelled, correct? And if I am there, 5 and 2 plus 5x plus 2x is actually nothing but 7x. Here the sign is plus, here it is plus, and when I am going to add it, then 9 plus 2 is 1, 11, 1 is there, so it becomes 21. Is it right? So 7x is there. 7x is equal to 21 is what? 21 upon 7. And if I cancel 7 3s are, what you got? X is equal to 3. Have you understood this now? Now place this x is equal to 3 in which equation? Whichever you like. This equation or this equation. They are substituted in first equation, so you have to follow because ये activity है तो हमें उनको ही follow करना पड़ेगा. So what is the equation 1? 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. So what we are going to do? X into what? 3 plus 3y is equal to what? 9. So what will be there then? 5x plus into 3 is 15. It becomes minus 15 now. You got it? Again, plus minus 15 minus 9 is 6, but you are giving the sign of greater number. Now you should be very careful. It is minus 6. So what is the value of y then? Minus 6 upon 2. If I cancel it, I get what? Minus 2. So what is the value of x? 3. And what is value of y is? Minus 2 is the answer for this question. Please pause the video and copy down it. They have given the second question is solve the following simultaneous equations. Means what? Linear equation in two variables only. So simultaneous equation में कुछ और मतलब नहीं है. It is a linear equation in two variables only. So the first question in second question they have given 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. So what I am going to do is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. I will declare the equation 1. and a plus 5b is equal to 22 and take it as equation 2. After this, we have to see the coefficients. Coefficient of a is 3, coefficient of a is 1, here it is 5. So these coefficients are same. So in such cases, if they are having the same coefficients, 5b, you have to see the sign. It is plus plus. If it is same sign, then we have to subtract the equations. As I told you, first of all, हमें इसको same करना है, and same करने के लिए you have to see the sign. If it is the same sign, you have to subtract the equation, and if it is a different sign, then you have to add the equation. Previous question is added the equation. So what I would write? Adding equation 1 and 2, we get. If I add in this, sorry, I should I made a mistake actually. I should subtract. Sorry. So what are you going to do here? You are going to write. What are you going to write? As this is 5b, they are having the same sign. Then what you are going to write is subtracting what? This equation, that is equation 2 from 1. See once again, what are you going to write? Subtracting 2 from 1, not 1 from 2. Or don't write subtract 1 and 2. What are you going to write? Subtracting lower equation from upper equations. That is what equation 2 from equation 1. So what will happen now? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. When you are subtracting, you must take care that you are going to subtract it, ना? तो लोअर इक्वेशंस की टर्म्स को साइन चेंज करना है. सो प्लस यहाँ कुछ नहीं, मतलब प्लस है, प्लस से क्या हो गया माइनस, प्लस का माइनस, यहाँ भी प्लस का माइनस. सो 3a minus 2a, a is for nothing but 2a. This will get cancelled is equal to, again here it is what? Plus and minus, plus minus minus. So 26 minus 22 is nothing but what? 4. So what you got? A is equal to 2. You got first answer, that is value of A. What are you going to do now? Substitute. What is that? Substitute A is equal to 2. In which equation we put? Second equation is better, I think so. In equation 2. We can place anywhere, right? Equation 1 or 2 will do. So what is equation 2? A plus 5b is equal to 22. Instead of a, what are you going to write? 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore, 5b is equal to, if it is plus 2, if I am transferring on that, it will become what? Minus 2. So, ultimately, 5b is equal to 20, b is equal to 20 upon 5, and b is equal to 4. Then what are you going to write? Solution. What is that? Solution of this equation is a comma b is equal to 2 comma 5. 2 comma 4 is the answer for this equation. Please copy down this. If you want, please put in a box and copy down this. I think you have understood it properly. Put therefore sign properly and copy down. Now, second question. They are given x plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Again, if you want to try this question, you can pause the video and you try to do on a rough page, and then you can see the method. And if you are confident, you can do directly also. It makes no difference. Okay. So again, what care you will take? You are going to write this equation as what? You are going to number the equation. X plus 7y is equal to 10 is the equation 1. Okay. And 3x minus 2y is equal to 7 is equation 2. Now what care you have to take? The coefficients should be same. If it is 1, it is 3, it is 7, it is 2. Either you try to make the coefficient of x same or y same. Suppose I prefer to go for y because I am getting the answer first for x. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं कि आपको खाली y को ही देखना है. If it is easy, you can go for x also. So here we try to make the coefficient of y same. So what I am going to do? What is the coefficient of y over here? 2. Here it is what? 7. So with this coefficient you are going to multiply equation 1, and with this coefficient that is 7 you are going to multiply what? Equation 2. So I am going to write first what? Multiplying equation 1 by 2. So if I multiply this equation 1 by 2, that is x plus 7y is equal to 10. So see what is going to happen? 2 into x is what? 2x plus 2 7s is 14y and 2 10s is 20. I will take this equation as what? Equation 3. Again, multiplying equation 2 by this term 7. We can write we get. Or so we can write we get. Okay. So 7 in bracket 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. You have multiplied equation 2. Now what is equation 2? 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Again you have to multiply properly. See, 7 3s are 21x plus minus 7 2s are 14y is equal to 7 7s is 49. This will be our equation 4. Now you have to take care that equation 3 and 4, it is 14y, and you have to see that the sign of this 14 and 14 is same. So it is plus, here it is minus. So when they are having a different sign, you are going to add the equations. That it is. So what am I going to write now? Adding equation 3 and 4 we get. So what do we get now? Add the equation properly. 2x plus 14y is equal to 20 and 21x minus 14y is equal to 49. So if I am adding it, I get, no need to change the sign of lower terms because we are adding it. So if I am adding it, 2x plus 21x is 23x. This part get cancelled, and what I am going to get is what? 9. It is 69. Have you understood this? So therefore x is equal to 69 upon 23, and 23 3s are is 69. So x is equal to what? 3. Have you understood this now? So what are you going to do now? This you are going to substitute anywhere. Which one is easy? According to me, equation 1 is easy. So substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1 we get. So what is equation 1? X plus 7y is equal to 10, or 3 plus 7y is equal to 10. You try to put in the bracket only. So 3 plus 7y is equal to 10. 7y is equal to 10 minus 3. 7y is equal to 7 and y is equal to, what you got? I'll write it over here. y is equal to 7 upon 7, y is equal to 1. So what are you going to write at last? Solution x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1 is the answer for this equation. I think you have understood properly. If not, revise it once again and copy down it. Again. Now see the third question. Third question they have given 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 13. The equation. So once again, what you are going to do? Therefore, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Equation 1. I will suggest you again, pause the video, try to do your own, and then you see the solution of it. Okay, so 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 13 is the equation. Now you have to observe it once again. Here the coefficient of x is 2x, here the coefficient of x is what? 2x only. And here it is like these coefficients are same, but over here it is 3 and 1. Is it right? Got it now? So what you can do, either you can make these coefficients same or already same है, उसको consider करते हैं. Last question I have given importance to what? Why? May be possible. मैं अगर directly करना चाहता हूँ, I can do this also. So now we do give importance to what? Coefficient of 2x and 2x. And it is when it is same, then I told them we have to subtract. So what I am going to do once again? Subtract equation 2 from 1 we get. So we are going to subtract 2 from 1, means we have to write upper side what? 1 and lower side I am going to write 1. So this will become 2 from 1. So when I am subtracting, I told you that you have to change the sign of what? Lower terms. So it will become, it is, nothing is there means what? It is plus. So it will become minus. This become minus. This also become what? Minus. Is it right? Now 2x minus 2x. Luckily it got cancelled. Now see what sign we have got? Minus. It is what? Minus. Minus minus plus. So 3 minus 3x minus 1x will become minus minus plus means what we got? 4y. Minus 3 plus minus minus plus 3 plus 1, 4. Now you are seeing it is plus, it is minus. Plus minus minus 13 minus 9 is 4. But you are giving the sign of what? Greater number. And sign of greater number is what? Minus. Have you understood now? So what you got now? Minus 4y is equal to minus 4. So ultimately y is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4. So we can change the sign. We have to change the sign of it. I got y is equal to 1. That is plus 1. So we got the answer y. In पहले स्टेप में हमें पहले आंसर में क्या मिला था? x पहले मिला था. अभी क्या मिला? y. It makes no difference. And according now, you can substitute equation 1 or 2, whichever you like. And this is actually simple equation. So you are going to try substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 2. We get. So what is equation 2? So 2x plus y is equal to 13. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. Please put therefore sign. It is as an equation. So x is equal to 12 upon 2. X is equal to 6. Have you understood this? So you got the answer. Solution x comma y is equal to, you have to write the answer for x first, that is 6, and then you have to write for y, that is 1. Have you understood this? So copy down and by pausing your video. Now fourth question. They have given 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Okay? So I think you must try for this question. Pause video, try to do it your own. Okay? Now, how are you going to do it? 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. I will take it as equation 1 and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7 is equation 2. Now in this equation, coefficient of m is 5m, it is 1m, 3n and 6n. Are they going to make the coefficient m same or n same? It is 6, no? If I multiply by 3 by 2, I'll get 6. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं कि 6 से ही multiply करना है. So I will do one thing. If I want to make it same, I'll multiply this equation by 2. और मुझे इससे multiply करना, इसको same करना है तो किससे multiply करना पड़ेगा? Equation 2 को 5 से करना पड़ेगा. So in this case, I am trying to make it what coefficient same, that is for n. So what I'll do? Multiplying equation 1 by 2. We get it. So 2 in bracket 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. So 5 2s are 10n minus 6n is equal to 15. 19 2s are 38. Student, please take care. You are in now 10th standard, but it is my personal request that you must know the tables up to 20. Okay, अभी तो भी कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करते रहना पड़ेगा. Okay, even squares up to 30, cubes up to 10, ये सब प्लीज याद करके रखो, बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, got it now? So equation 3 you got. Now see, here minus 6n same है ना? Then you have to see the sign. Here it is what? Minus and minus. If it is same, then you are going to subtract the equation. So I'll write subtract equation 3 from 2 we get. 3 from 2 means you have to write the second equation first. Okay, subtracting. So m minus 6n is equal to minus 7 and 10m minus 6n is equal to 38. Again, when you are subtracting, you must take care that what? Subtract karte when you have to change the sign of what? Lower terms. See, it is minus, it is plus, plus minus minus. 10 minus 1 is 9n. But you are going to sign of what? Greater number. Now it is a sign of greater number is minus. Here, this gets 6 and 6 and get cancelled. Now again, minus minus plus. So this become minus 45. Sorry. Minus 45. So what you got now? Here, m is equal to minus 45 by minus 9. We are going to change the sign of it, and we got value of m is equal to 5. 9 5s are 45. Now we are going to substitute. So what I would write? Substitute m is equal to 5 in equation 2. We get. So what is equation 2? M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. M का value please put in bracket only. Minus 6n is equal to minus 7. So 5 minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Minus 6n is equal to minus 7 minus 5. So minus 6n is equal to minus 12. N is equal to minus 12 by minus 6. Sign will change and we got n is equal to 2. Have you understood this? So what are you going to write? Solution m comma n is equal to 5 comma 2 is the answer for this question. Now, question number 5. They have given 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 and x plus 5y is equal to 4. This is the question they have given to you. So, again, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, equation 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4, equation 2. Once again I am repeating, equation तुम लोग खुद भी कर सकते हैं, ट्राई करने में हर्ज नहीं है. Pause this video and खुद एक रफ पेज पे कर दो. Okay. Now see here, the coefficient of x is 5, it is 1, it is 2y and 5y. So we can make the coefficient of y very easily. So here we are going to multiply by what? 5, here it is 1. 1 से multiply कोई करने का मतलब नहीं निकलता है. So you will do one thing, multiplying equation 2 by 5 we get it. So 5 in bracket x plus 5y is equal to 4. So 5 into x is what? 5x plus 25y is equal to 5 4s are 20 is equation number 3. You got it? Now these two coefficients are same, 5x and 5x. See the sign? It is plus, and it is also what? Plus. So what I am going to do? Subtract. What am I going to write? Subtract equation 3 from 1. Is it right? 1 or 3 को 1 से subtract करेंगे. We get. What is equation 1? So 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 and 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. Again As we are going to subtract, we have to change the sign of what? Lower term. Is it right? So I'll make it plus ka, minus, minus, and minus. Now just see. Plus 5y minus 5y. This get cancelled. Here it is plus minus. 25 minus 2 is 23y. And you are given the sign of what? Greater number. Here it is minus minus is what? Plus. 20 plus 3 is what? Minus 23. So, what answer we are getting? Y is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. I am getting, we have to change the sign of it. Minus minus get cancelled. So, y is equal to 1. Have you understood this? Now, what are you going to write? Subtract. No, substitute. Substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 2. According to me, equation 2 is very simple equation. We get, see, x plus 5y is equal to 4. X plus 5 into 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, x plus 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to minus 1. So, we got value of x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. So, solution, what are you going to write? X comma y is equal, you are going to write x first term, minus 1 and 1, and put in the box. Okay, let me check once again. So, I think you have enjoyed. It is like with a revision of what 9th standard. It is right. So, these are the very simple questions we have completed, and they are going to end up with a part first. So, we will continue in what? Next session, that is part 2. Okay. Thank you, students.